we're here to encourage the spirit of adventure. Hey, I'm Eric Miller, co-founder of TOURIG and TRG, the TOURIG Recreation Group.
My name is Paul Bulgier. I am co-founder and president of TOURIG.
Paul and I met in the late 90s working as, rock climbers in climbing shops, and our paths crossed in 98, 99, I think. And then when I had this idea in about 2014, thinking about how to start this business, this company, this brand, he came to mind because he's a craftsman like none other. He's really meticulous. And when we first started, Paul and I we were building the vans. Back in those days, we don't, not so much anymore. We have a team that's way more talented than we are for that.
Both being van guys, outdoor guys, we kind of combined our resources and our knowledge that we had built up over the 20 years or so previously. My
partner and I, Paul, we've always had a really simplistic approach to doing it. Like, I think it's really hard to do things simply and elegantly. It's easy to throw stuff at it and hang things here and put things here or there to kind of make it feel a little more put together, when really I think it's a lot more disconnected. So we've always had this vision of like simplistic, design, elegance.
Small spaces, how to utilize the best out of small spaces. A little less modular, I would say, more functional.
Feels pretty homey, feels nice, it's comfortable.
Trying to have fixed components in the vehicle, a lot less apt to wiggle and squeak and make noise. Our vans were simpler in nature, and through innovation, we hope to accomplish giving the customer the best product for this style of van life.
TOURIG lifestyle. It's making the journey as appealing as the destination. I think over the years you find really cool places you want to go, and you focus on getting there and maybe the sport you will do while you're there. In terms of vehicle travel, we've been coming down here for 7-8 years, pretty routinely. It's a really kind of cool place to get out and let people experience what it's like to be completely disconnected, for days at a time.
It's always enjoyable meeting customers, meeting people we're with in the industry, and then also kind of having a little adventure along the way as well. We choose the suppliers and the vendor based on just quality. If it's meant to hold up to the marine environment, it's going to hold up really well down in Baja.
I think walking away or driving away feeling confident in your purchase, confident in the support network behind you, confident in the service, the warranties we provide, customer service we provide, that's confidence to me. I feel most at home in one of these TOURIGs, going down the road, going anywhere, just traveling, getting out and exploring, seeing this amazing world we live in.